This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
While it wasn't a whimper, the 2022 Chicago Auto Show fell a little short of the broad-shouldered bang that is synonymous with the city's image. In past years, the event sprawled over 2 exhibit halls at the McCormick Convention Center. For this year, only half of the space was used. Traditionally, this is an event where trucks and SUVs are the big attraction. So, keeping in that spirit, Chevrolet displayed the electrified version of the Silverado, which is powered by the proprietary Ultium battery technology.
It lowers the center of gravity of the vehicle and it offers a very refined ride that's different than a traditional full-size pickup truck.
The Ram division of Stellantis is promising a fully battery-electric light-duty vehicle in the next few years. That entry will have some tough competition, considering that other auto manufacturers, both foreign and domestic, are already in the space. For now, the company is offering a refreshed version of the 1500 series unit called the First Responder Series.
How would we do it? So that's Frontier.
Nissan is aggressively marketing the latest version of the Frontier truck. Now the brand even took a step into the aftermarket segment for the vehicle. Once the design team had finished working on the new truck, they had some free time and thought, what if?
We're kind of sitting at our desks between projects and just imagining, oh, if I get a Frontier, maybe I'll do this to it, or maybe I'll do that to it. And these 3 Frontiers kind of represent different ways of different kind of maybes.
On the passenger vehicle side, Kia used Chicago to debut a plug-in hybrid version of the new Sportage. This 2-row small crossover got a restyle for model year 2023, and now with plug-in hybrid technology, bridges drivetrains to mesh internal combustion power with electric support. If the platform feels familiar, that might be due to the fact that it's very close in size and stance with the company's EV6 hatchback, which will also be in showrooms soon. But this is really what got our attention, the Ford GT supercar. It is definitely a niche vehicle aimed at a select few buyers who can afford it and want the ultimate in a true performance, race-ready car. The Chicago unveiling was also a chance for the sons of the GT's originator, Alan Mann, to see the latest version of their father's vision.
Yeah, it's a shame he's not here, but yeah, it's an amazing tribute.
It's really special. Thank you.
Completely overwhelmed by the whole thing, to be honest. So, yeah, we can't thank you enough, really.
It's really good. I hope they sell like hotcakes for you.
This is very popular. A lot of people love this car.
Count us in as one of those fans. I'm Greg Morrison.